110, I think. I believe.
We have more followers on Twitter than we do subscribers.
Well, still, guys.
Oh well.
If you follow us on Twitter, you should really subscribe to our YouTube.
It's not a lot, but it's a lot for us because we
Yeah.
didn't even expect anybody to see our.
I expected maybe like 30 followers by now, and then we got 100. So
You mean subscribers?
did I say followers?
Yep.
Yep, I said followers.
Anyways, so we just want to say thank you to you guys who are subscribed.
And Macy's not here right now because of work, so.
But you know what would be awesome if the Janoskians subscribed? That's shooting really high.
It is, but it's possible.
It's possible, so you guys should help us get noticed by them.
So maybe
Again.
you should share this video on Twitter and on Tumblr and be like, hey, Janoskians, look at these fab girls. There's only 3 of them right now, but there's usually 4, and they're like obviously super cool, and you should like subscribe to them because they make really awesome videos, and it would like make your life so much better.
It would.
It's
Totally!
We are perfect, so like just seeing us
What?
every day.
Yeah, and we're gonna be funny. Well, maybe not, but we're gonna like do fucking challenges. Yeah, we're gonna do challenges, and we're gonna do some public nuisance, and
Which we still have to do.
Yes, we have to do that.
we did some Ellen Dance Dare.
We got 100 subscribers, and we're really grateful for all of you. And really grateful for all of you, and
Thank you
Very much.
We love you.
Thank you very much. We did not sing. We should never sing.
Again.
Especially not on camera. But good thing we can edit because it'll be edited out. And why are we all
You guys aren't even clapping. I'm just clapping. What, thank you. What, thank you.